Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download and install BLUESTACKS on your computer from the official website. Make sure you grab the latest version available for 2026, as the emulator gets regular updates. You'll need at least 4 GB of RAM to run it smoothly. Step 2. Once BLUESTACKS is installed, open the Google Play Store from within the emulator. Search for Pokemon Go and hit that install button. The download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 3. Before launching the game, you'll need to configure your location settings properly. Go into BLUESTACKS settings and enable location services, then set your preferred location in the app. This is crucial because Pokemon Go relies on your GPS coordinates. Step 4. Launch Pokemon Go and sign in with your Pokemon Trainer Club account or your Google account. Make sure you're using the same account you've been using on your phone, or you'll start completely fresh. Step 5. Finally, customize your gameplay by adjusting the graphics settings for performance. Lower settings means smoother gameplay, while higher settings look better but use more resources. Once you've got everything configured, you're ready to catch 'em all right from your desktop.